Hi everybody, welcome back, and firstly thanks to Dan Carr for providing the footage for this video. He has a YouTube channel, Carrs Caravan, and as always there will be a link to that in the description below. Our coverage starts on the A27 heading east towards Brighton. We're about to make our first turning at the Fishbourne roundabout. It's onto the A259 and it's signposted Bosham and Fishbourne. Make sure you're in the far right hand lane when approaching the roundabout and take the fourth exit. There's a couple of options here, but we're going to take you on to a quieter route that avoids more of the A259 and the village of Bosham. After 0.8 of a mile, turn right into Salthill Road. Here's that turning into Salthill Road now. As you can see, it has its own slip. Follow the road for 0.6 of a mile before turning left into Clay Lane, just before the road crosses the A27. And here's that turning coming up now, left into Clay Lane. Follow the road to the site entrance. It's 1.7 miles and it's just off to the left as the road bends around to the right. And here we are, turn left, then immediately turn right into the site entrance. Dan has very kindly had a little drive around the site, so we're going to show you that too. Just to give you some information, it's open all year round. It has just 27 fully serviced hard standing pitches, and as you can see, it's very smartly kept indeed. The safari tents you see there are a feature of the Emperor pitches, designed for day living. They have a fridge, freezer, dishwasher, sink area, dining area and a log burning stove too. And that's our little tour of the site complete. Thanks once again to Dan for providing the footage and to you too for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers.